Amsterdam, a city of history, art, and freedom. But as the sun sets, another side awakens. Welcome to the Wallen, the red light district. As the golden light fades from the canals and the last bicycles cross the bridges for the day, a different kind of glow begins to emerge. This is Amsterdam after dark, a place that invites curiosity and conversation. In the very heart of old Amsterdam, these narrow cobblestone alleys blend centuries of history with a vibrant, modern nightlife. The red glow you see is just light. It is an iconic part of the city's identity, a symbol where openness and curiosity meet. As you walk these streets, the neon reflections dance in the canal water, creating a surreal and beautiful atmosphere. You'll see tourists from all over the globe, exploring with a sense of wonder. The soft red hue from the windows illuminates the classic canal houses and the bicycles parked beside the bridges, painting a picture that is uniquely Amsterdam. It's a living, breathing postcard, both historic and constantly in motion. The red light district, known to locals as De Wallen, dates all the way back to the 14th century. What started as a sailor's quarter has evolved over hundreds of years into one of Europe's most talked about neighborhoods. It stands today as a complex symbol of tolerance and ongoing debate. It's a place where history is not just preserved in museums, but lived out on the streets every single night. If you look closely, you'll see the stunning Oude Kerk, or Old Church, standing right in the middle of it all, a silent witness to centuries of change. The area is also alive with street performers and public art installations, many celebrating the core Dutch values of freedom and human rights. But today, De Wallen is so much more than what it's famous for. It's nightlife, it's music, it's the hum of conversation spilling out from bustling bars and cozy coffee shops. It's people from every corner of the world gathering together on terraces, laughing and sharing stories. They come here to experience Amsterdam's famous spirit of openness firsthand. You'll see bartenders crafting drinks with a flourish, groups of friends toasting to new adventures, and couples strolling hand in hand along the historic canals. This district is a melting pot of experiences, offering a unique slice of Amsterdam's social fabric to anyone who visits. Beyond the vibrant lights and lively crowds, there's a deeper conversation happening here. It's a discussion about respect, safety, and the real lives of the workers and residents who call this place home. You'll notice signs encouraging respectful behavior and the reassuring presence of local authorities, all working to maintain a safe environment for everyone. This district is not static. It's constantly changing and evolving. The city is always striving to find the delicate balance between accommodating a massive influx of tourism and preserving the tradition and livability of this historic neighborhood. It's a testament to Amsterdam's progressive and pragmatic approach. De Wallen is so much more than just red lights. As the night deepens and the reflections shimmer on the water, you realize this place is a mirror, reflecting the very soul of Amsterdam, honest, complex, and endlessly alive. It's a part of the city that challenges perceptions and invites you to look closer. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through Amsterdam after dark. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the city's unique culture, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more stories from around the world. See you in the next one.